Hi, my name is Elaine, and today I'm going to give you tips and tricks to becoming an affiliate marketer as a beginner. Now, there are some things you have to know. I'm going to highlight the 5 things that are most important. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel and check the links in my information profile, and we will get started. Okay, so the number one thing you need to do is pick your niche. What are you passionate about? So that doesn't mean you have to be an expert on it. You just have to know some things about it, enjoy it. The top 3 are health, wealth, and relationships. So if you know anything about any of that, so health could be any, maybe you are a nutritionist, maybe you have lost 60 pounds in the last year. There are a number of things in the health industry. Maybe you love to work out and you want to start showing everybody what you can do. 2 is wealth. There are make money online. There are lots and lots of products out there, digital products that you can go find on JVZoo, ClickBank. There's a number of them. So in affiliate marketing, making money online, wealth niche is top rated. Go for high ticket products, and I'll show you in another tutorial how to do that. But next, 3, relationships. Say you some of you maybe just be really natural at helping people in the relationship. You're always giving advice to your friends and family. And maybe you go out and you do a little studying and research about it and you found what works and you want to share that. Again, products that you can find on any affiliate program links that you can go grab and start your social media on any one of those 3 things I just told you, go get them. So that was number 1. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we're going to keep going. Number 2, after you found your niche, or your niche, what you have to do after that is find products in that niche. So going to JVZoo, ClickBank, there's Share a Sale, some of the things I'll put in info that you can find. Going to buy those products, not buy them, but go to promote those products is how you're going to get them on your social media, and that's where you'll find your links inside of those. Okay, we'll keep going. 3, the next thing that you need to do is get a website. You don't necessarily need an actual website, but they're super inexpensive to get. You can go to Namecheap, GoDaddy. I have 2 websites that are under $9 a month to run. And you can name them whatever you want. The best thing to do is to name them something simple, not with your name if it's spelled differently, and don't use numbers, and stay within your niche. So say if I wanted to do something, it would be My Health Today 2022. And you'll find that if you do it to the year, or if you just maybe put one little thing in it, that will change it so you can get the easy site, then go for it. Then you have to build your sales funnel. So there are a number of things that you can get those from. ClickFunnels is my number 1, and there are many platforms to use. And in my information, I am promoting ClickFunnels, and yes, I do get a commission for it. So number 4 is after you've done that, you get an autoresponder. An autoresponder is what is going to save you from loads of work, sending people emails and messages. You're going to do it all at once. You're going to write out an email. And when you're writing your emails, don't make it fancy. You can go to Grammarly to help you with it. You can have a friend look at it and read it over for you. But write your emails out like you're talking. Say, this is what I'm going to do. This is how I'm going to help you. These are the things you need to do. And here is my link. And you're going to get those links in your email, in your autoresponder. It's going to go out once a day, once every other day. It can go out twice a day, depending on how much you think your audience is going to respond. So the last tip, number 5, a really, really important tip, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can let you know about all this. Now, 5, your good way to do this, and even if you're camera shy, or even if you don't have social media, there are a number of ways that you can get this done. My top social media platform that I sell and promote my products on is TikTok, but that is a quick view. My videos last about a week, and then they're kind of forgotten and gone. You can promote your products on your own Facebook page. Build it up. Have your friends and family share so everyone can see what you're doing. A lot of people are scared of doing that, but it's possible and it can be done. And that's, a really great way to do things. You can start a Facebook business page, start promoting products there, a group, a Facebook group, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. So all these platforms do different things and for different reasons. But if you start on social media, get your content out there and don't stop and don't give up, you will build a high-ticket affiliate business like nothing that you've ever dreamed of. If you've liked the information I've given you, please look into my information down below. I have some links. I do make commission from those links, and that's what this is all about. Follow me for more tips and tricks to beginner affiliate marketing. Thanks.